I said the previous video was the last one, but I was wrong. We have one more video which talks about something really cute called odds in favor and odds against in taking chances. And these are nothing but ratios, so it's nothing to worry about. But what are they ratios of? That's what we need to talk about. So let n be the probability that an event E won't happen, sorry. So n, like for something negative n, so it won't happen, so that it would be the non-occurrence. And then m be the occurrence of E. Okay. So then the ratio of m to n, meaning not happening to happening, is odds against. And happening to not happening is odds in favor. So you can just remember this by checking whichever one is in first. If the first one is a non-occurrence, meaning it can't happen, then you're checking about the odds against. And if it's if the first one is the good one, meaning the occurrence, then you're checking the odds in favor. So when someone says, what are the odds? Katawala, they're usually referring to, I think, odds against, because they're saying what are the chances that we get this. But let's take an example of this, because this can be confusing when seen on questions. Let's say if 3 to 5 is odds in favor, what is the probability that E occurs, or E occurring? So here we have odds in favor. So we said that occurrence, the probability of occurrence is this, and then non-occurrences would be 5. So can we take 3 as the probability? Hey, that can't happen because that would be more than 1. But we said that probability is between 0 and 1. So this can't do. So what we need to do in reality is see that the probability of E to 5 is equal to the probability of E happening to the probability E complement. Now, what's E complement? E complement is the sample space minus E, meaning it's all the elements of the sample space that are not included under E. So maybe I should write that down here in the notes section. E, my pen is running out. E complement is sample space minus the event. So then the probability would be, the probability of the complement would be 1 minus the probability of E happening, right? Because 1 is the maximum and you just subtract. 1 is the probability of the sample space minus the probability of E. So if you put that in, so when you convert this to, when you convert the ratio to multiplication, you just multiply the inside and then the outside. So 5 PE is equal to 3 PE prime. So that's what we have here, but then PE prime is 1 minus PE. So replace that, and then you'll find this expression, 5 PE plus 3 PE, when you distribute this and then take it to the other side, and this is 3, and then you'll find 3 over 8. Now that's the correct probability you have of E occurring. So in short, you can just do this. If you know this is the occurrence, it would be 3 over that one.